So here is a quick revision of some staining techniques. First is gram staining. We know that primary stain, then mordant, then decolorizer, then counter stain. This sequence follow almost all staining techniques. In gram stain, we use primary stain as crystal violet, mordant as grams iodine, decolorizer as 95% alcohol plus acetone, and counter stain as a safranin solution. Now additional contents in these reagents are ethyl alcohol, ammonium oxalate, potassium iodide, absolute alcohol. Now Zn stain. Zn stain, there is two types, hot and cold. Now hot is modified into Zn cold. Both Zn hot and cold staining technique used for Mycobacterium species. Mycobacterium tuberculosis for Zn hot staining and Mycobacterium leprae is used usually Zn cold staining, which is the modification of hot Zn staining. Now both the results are same. Bacilli are bright red in color and other are bluish green or blue. Now firstly Zn hot staining, their contents are primary stain as a saturated basic fusion or carbonyl fusion. It is made by powdered form of basic fusion and 95% ethyl alcohol, whereas mordant is a phenol, that is 50%, decolorizer as a 20% sulfuric acid. Now counter stain is a 0.3% methylene blue or malachite green or counter stain. Now Zn cold staining, as it is as a Zn hot staining, except here is a ratio of here is a difference of ratio of sulfuric acid. Here we use 5% H2SO4 in cold Zn staining, but 20% in Zn hot staining. The result as the same bright red bacilli and other is blue. Now Keon cold staining. Keon cold staining is used for Nocardius asteroids. It is a weak acid fast. Now Keon carboyl fusion stain we use in it. Their reagent are basic fusion, melted phenol crystal, 95% ethyl alcohol, distilled water and 1% sulfuric acid. Point to be noted, 1% sulfuric acid is used in Keon cold staining, which is used for Nocardius asteroids. The result is bright red branching thread. Okay. Now Albert stain is it used for Corynebacterium diphthery, which is grow in our throat or neck. So we can use throat sample. Here is two solution we use. Solution A contain glacial acetic acid. Solution 2 contain potassium iodide and iodine. Here is one more solution. Solution A contain glacial acetic acid, toluidine blue, malachite green and 95% ethyl alcohol and distilled water. Here is a trick to remember Albert stain reagent. टोलू की माला आई पर इथाइलिन ने गला दी. सो टोलू स्टैंड्स फॉर टोल्यूडिन ब्लू, Ki stands for potassium iodide, Mala stands for malachite green, I stands for iodine, ethylene stands for ethyl alcohol, glass stands for glacial acetic acid. Now another technique is hot staining technique. Their reagents are remembered by using this technique. Hot A by sulfuric acid की तरह. Here is by stands for 20%. Understood? Now here is a quick difference between gram staining and Zn staining. The primary stain is crystal violet in gram staining, whereas primary stain is basic fusion or carbonyl fusion in Zn staining. Mordant we use iodine in gram staining. Mordant we use phenol in Zn staining. Decolorizer acid and alcohol, है ना. Alcohol used in gram staining and acid used in Zn staining. Which acid? Sulfuric acid. Now counter stain used is saffron in gram staining, whereas methyl blue, malachite green as a counter stain in Zn staining. Now some staining regarding capsule, spore and spirochete. So here is a note. Capsule, for capsule we use negative staining, and another note is counter stain in capsule is methylene blue, whereas counter stain in spore is saffronin. You can remember by trick that S stands for spore and their counter stain also stands for S, that is saffronin. So this is all about counter stain. Now capsule stain by negative staining, that is nigrosin solution. We use 10 gram per deciliter nigrosin solution, and the result is organism is hollow, or we can say colorless. Background is bluish or black or bluish black. Now capsule by His staining. This His staining used as serum or acetic fluid. The reagent is crystal violet and copper sulfate. Crystal violet and copper sulfate. We can remember by trick. हम जो हंसते हैं, केप पहन, सपोज हंसते जो है केप पहनकर हम हंसते हैं. सो ही इज स्टैंडिंग फॉर कैप्सूल. नाउ हंसते तो उसका अपोजिट रोना, मतलब क्राई मीन्स क्रिस्टल वॉयलेट, एंड केप से कॉप, दैट इज कॉपर सल्फेट. नाउ हियर रिजल्ट इज कैप्सूल पेल ब्लू, वेयर इज बैक्टीरिया सिंस पर्पल. नाउ Volantine or metachromatic granules by Loeffler polychromatic methylene blue staining. This longer name of staining learned by trick, that is आटे की लोई पॉली बनाना पड़ती मम्मी को बापू के लिए. There is poly means many. Here is आटे की लोई. लोई stands for Loeffler. पॉली और मैनी स्टैंड्स फॉर पॉलीक्रोमेटिक और मल्टीक्रोमेटिक. नाउ बनाना पड़ती मम्मी को बापू. मम्मी स्टैंड्स फॉर मिथाइलिन ब्लू, बापू स्टैंड्स फॉर ब्लू स्टैनिंग. एंड दिस स्टैनिंग इज यूज्ड टू सीन कोरियनी बैक्टीरियम डिप्थेरी. कोरियनी बैक्टीरियम डिप्थेरी. हियर रिजल्ट इज ग्रेन्यूल्स सिंस bluish black and cells pale green. Granules bluish black and cells pale green. Now cell wall. Cell wall by Ringers et al. Here is a reagent, that is tannic acid, crystal violet, Congo red and culture suspension such as Sarcina lutea. Here we can remember by trick the reagent. The trick is the ring 10 लाख violet color की ऑफ रेड डायमंड, जिसमें कि वो 10 लाख की क्यों है, क्योंकि उसमें डायमंड लगा है, वो भी रेड कलर का. सो हम इसको इस तरीके से देख सकते हैं, रिंग 10 लाख वॉयलेट कलर की रेड डायमंड वाली, है ना. सो रिंग स्टैंड्स फॉर रिंगर मेथड फॉर सेल वॉल, वॉयलेट स्टैंड्स फॉर क्रिस्टल वॉयलेट, रेड फॉर कोंगो रेड, 10 लाख मतलब tannic acid. Now diamond as for usual for trick. Here is result. Cell wall is reddish brown and organism hollow or colorless. Point to be noted. Here cell wall is reddish brown and organism hollow or colorless in cell wall where we stain by Ringer's et al. Method, which content is tannic acid as a moderant crystal violet, Congo red, and culture suspension. Now we jump to the spores. Spores are stained by nigrosin stain, such as Jill Nielsen. We can remember by SPO, it's PO, and nigrosin, NIGO, it's GO, go and po, like that words. So we can remember. Now Borrelia, stained by aniline and Romanovsky stain. We can remember by अनि, रमन, बोर हो रहे हैं. Ani stands for aniline, Raman stands for Romanovsky, and Bohr stands for Borrelia. Now spore staining. Spore staining by Schufer's and Fulton's method. We can remember by trick. जब स्पोर को छुपना होता है, दैट इज़ किसी को पता न चले, इसलिए उसको छुपना होता है, दैट इज़ so Schufer's and Fulton's method used in spore. Now ingredient is melachite green 5%, 0.5% saffronin as a counter stain, and culture. We can remember by trick. माला केसर खा रही. It's she stands for its method, Schufer and Fulton's method. Mala stands for malachite green, which is 5%, and kesar, that is saffronin, 0.5%. It is used for spore staining. The result is spore since to green and cell since to red. So sorry for the background disturbances. So spore by Schufer's and Fulton's method, the result seems to be spore seems to be green and cell seems to be red. Now spirochete. Spirochete method is Fulton's method or silver impregnated method are used by spirochete. Now here is reagent fixative, that is glacial acetic acid, formalin, and still water. Now mordant, that is phenol, tannic acid, and still water. Now ammonium silver nitrate, and last is NS, normal saline. Here is a result: spirochete brownish black and background is brownish yellow. Point to be noted: in spirochete's silver impregnated method or Fulton's method, the result is spirochete seems to be brownish black and background is brownish yellow. We can say background का G and brownish yellow का Y. So we can remember. Now Vibrio motility can be detected by hanging drop method. We use here petroleum jelly. Now here is a trick for spirochete method, silver impregnated method or Fulton's method. Now here is a trick is 10 lakh फिनॉल की बॉटल ले आए, पर स्पायरोकेट गला, फॉर्म हुआ पर मरा नहीं. 10 lakh stands for tannic acid, phenol, it is stands for phenol, gala stands for glacial acetic acid, foam stands for formalin.